What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna test an amplifier, a very small one. As you can see, this is the box, but this amplifier is much more smaller. Here it is. So this is the amplifier. This is a 3116D2 IC amplifier with the bass and treble, and of course the volume control. So all the controls are there. So you just need to connect the power supply and the output and input. That's it. So that's the size of the amplifier. It's like in my palm right now. So you get a chrome finish knob with this thing, and here you can see the heatsink green that is mounted on the main chip 3116D2, and the filter capacitors for the power supply, and this side the speaker output, that side the audio input. That's it, pretty much basic. And of course the Chinese one, so I cannot read which one is the volume and bass treble. So now we're gonna connect this thing and I'm gonna check the sound of it. So as per the listing on the Amazon, it says 80 watt output, 80 plus 80. Well, I am having doubt of that thing. Let's see how much sound it can produce. So I'm gonna connect this thing to this Bluetooth kit, and it's also open. So I'm gonna connect all this thing up, and it's gonna take some time. All right, so I've mounted the audio input and connected this Bluetooth kit. Now you just need to connect the power supply here and the speaker output here. The screw mounted terminals, that would be easy. I don't need to solder them at all. All right, so this thing is connected. As you can see, these two are the speaker wires, and that's the power supply, 12 volt 5 amp, and this thing is on to Bluetooth kit. So now I have found out that this one is the volume control, this is the treble, and that's the bass control. So now let's play some songs as this thing is connected to my mobile phone. So I'm gonna change the angle of it. The sound is very clear and loud, but I feel the treble is a bit high, as I had to reduce to 70%, but bass is at 100%. But still I'm feeling there is a lack of bass, and the treble is high, but the sound is very loud and clear. So let's check some more songs. So now the problem was with the speaker connections. One side was mismatched. That's why the bass was like very low. Now I have changed the speaker wire, and now the bass is a bit better, so the sound is also good. Now for the price, I have paid like $390 for this kit. It's like a very good deal for a small size Class D amplifier, and I'm thinking to make these two bookshelf speakers a powered bookshelf speakers using this kit. Well, stay tuned for that. Later on, I'm going to try to make them just like the edifier. I'm going to mount them at the side panel somewhere of one box, or maybe I'm going to use another plastic casing at the back side, and then the circuitry and everything would be inside of that thing, so I don't need to mess up with the main wooden cabinet. So stay tuned for that, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you like my work, you can donate anything to my channel. You'll get the payment links in the description below. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Yeah, let's go. You know how nervous I get when I'm around you. I want you to make a move. I'm like your childhood pet. I'm scared when you go, and I don't wanna lose you. And there's nothing you could do. It feels warmer when you're here. I get shivers when you have to go. And I can meet you on the west side.